Hello, happy June. This is Matt DeYoung from VDS here to review the Genesys Cloud release highlights from the month of May. In May, Genesys rolled out 26 new updates spread across 4 different release dates. As always, all the releases can be viewed in the Resource Center, and we'll just hit on a few key items here. So first off, for all license types, the releases that really apply to anyone, very first one here to pay attention to is the retry configuration for unsuccessful customer first callbacks. So Genesys rolled out additional options for the customer first callbacks that are not successful on the first attempt. And with that retry configuration, organizations can now define how many times the system should retry the callback, how often to wait between each attempt as well, directly at the queue level. So ultimately, this just further helps improve the chances of reaching a customer by automatically trying again after some of those common issues like a no answer or a busy signal. So again, for those of you who are using the customer first callback approach, real helpful feature here. And then next one that came out May 12th was the average speed of answer in the agent performance views. So average speed of answer now basically available at the agent level. Supervisors can view the average speed of answer directly within the performance view, within the agent performance view, I should say. Update just really helps give supervisors additional metrics or an additional metric to help evaluate how quickly agents are responding to interactions, and just overall supports a more complete view of the agent performance. So a couple of features there that again apply to everyone. Next, for those of you who have a Genesys Cloud CX2 or CX license, and specifically for those who are using or thinking about using email routing through Genesys, Genesys simply rolled out some enhancements to the admin user interface. The enhancements just kind of provide a new design to simply improve the flow, style, and grouping of configuration options. Really just kind of offers an overall more user-friendly experience. So helpful one there, again, if you're using the email routing through Genesys. And then finally, a couple highlights for those with the CX3 license or even the WEM add-on license as well. Very first one here is the shift trades across weeks within the schedule to improve agent flexibility. It came out on May 19th. And for those that are using workforce management, potentially a very helpful one here. Really, with this release, organizations can now allow the agents to trade shifts across multiple weeks within a single published schedule. The enhancements just give agents more flexibility, reduces manual scheduling adjustments as well. There's actually some new rule types that let organizations control the trade behavior. And those types include items like the minimum time between shifts, maximum number of weeks spanned by a trade, weekly trade limits per agent, paid hour limits based on the planning periods. So a few different options there. Hopefully, it's a helpful feature release, especially for organizations that maybe want to improve a little more or provide a little bit more flexibility to agents. And then the next one here, kind of a neat one, the view phrase usage in topic editor release. And with this release that came out on May 26th, organizations can now see how often each phrase is used within a topic, along with the links to the specific interactions where the phrase was found. So really, this just helps better evaluate the usefulness of each phrase and decide whether to keep, revise, or remove that phrase. Previously, organizations really had no visibility into how well a phrase performed before publishing it. So this update also actually allows users to test phrases against some of the historical interactions, really just to see a clearer picture of how effective a phrase contributes to identifying a particular topic. So overall goal of this feature is just to help improve the phrase accuracy and also keeps topics more relevant over time too. So another very helpful one there as well. So just a few key ones there out of everything that was released. I believe there's a little over 20 that was released in May. So a few key items there to be aware of. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to either myself or one of our team members at VDS. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching this video, and hope you have a great month of June. Thank you for your partnership. Have a great day. Thanks.